In this video, I'm going to show you how to correctly change bank account info on TurboTax. So the first thing you want to do is sign into your TurboTax account, and then you want to go to Tax Home over here. Now, before you can do this, you want to make sure you have completed all these steps over here. So you've put in your personal info, wages and income, deductions and credits, other tax situations, state taxes, and then you have reviewed everything successfully. Once you have done this and you have all your correct info in here, you want to go to Finish and File, and you simply want to click on that and then click on Continue or Start, whatever it says for you. So press on this blue button over here, and then from there, you will see three different steps. So what you should first do is go under step 1 where it says review your order. You want to click on start and you want to basically complete this step 1. So just put in whatever it asks you to put in. And after you continue to step 2, so once you finish step 1, what you will have to do is click either start or revisit or continue over here. So in case you've never done this and you had to go through step 1 first, it will say start over here because you've never been in here. But if you've been in here previously, you will have to click the button over here on the right, just like this one, which will say either revisit or continue. Now, once you do this, inside your refund or payment info, you will see a button which will say See All Options on the screen, which is going to be labeled Get Your Refund up to 5 days early. Now, what you want to do there is choose Direct Deposit and then follow the on-screen instructions, and just like that, you'll be able to basically change your bank account info on TurboTax. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.